Good morning and welcome to Godwin Tech. This morning I want us to do something different. Because this channel is about tech and not only software, tech in general. I believe that online, I would like to say e-commerce is still part of it. Of recent times, I came across somebody and he was asking me how he can buy something on Amazon, how he can buy items. So I'm going to walk you through on how you can do that. You can use your computer to make the purchase, you can use your smartphone. What's more important is that you get to Amazon through your browser. Okay, so let's get started. I will be using the browser, Chrome browser, on my smartphone for this station. So I'll swipe up. In the final search, I'll type Chrome. This is my Chrome browser, or if you have Edge or Firefox, any browser you use at all on your smartphone or your computer, it can serve. So I tap on it for it to open. Then I will open a new tab on my browser. Look how I did it. I click on these three dots, tap on the three dots, then I select new tab. Okay, then I would like to turn this my browser to be in web status. So I will tap on the three dots again. That's desktop site. Select desktop site. Okay, then I'll visit Amazon website, and the Amazon website is amazon.com. Amazon.com. Okay, I usually visit Amazon, so it has already shown up. Tap on it for it to open. If you have not signed up on Amazon, please you do that. Okay, you can do that through this part of your website. All right, this part of the website. But here I have already signed up on Amazon and I have logged in. Okay, so that's why it says hello Godwin. All right, so it detects I'm the one visiting. Now the next important thing is to know the category of goods or items you want to buy. Let's assume you want to buy electronics products. Okay, electronics products. The first thing you have to do, this place that have the text all, tap on it. Then select the category of something you want to buy. Let's assume it's electronics. So you see, electronics is here. Tap on it. It's selected. Then in the search space, type the products you want to buy. Let's say I want to buy Apple computer. Alright, so I will type it. Apple's computer. So I will type. Okay. Now it will show me some Apple computer types I can purchase. Plenty of them. Alright, so you can go ahead and say, okay, let's assume this is what I did. The one that cost $700. I will tap on it. Then tap on buy or add to cart, anywhere you choose to go. Okay, let's say tap on buy. Buy now. Then fill the details about you, your country, your full name, your phone number, all this basic information. After that, you go on with use this address. Okay, tap on this, use this address. Then payment method, I recommend you make payments with. You'll be taken to a new page where you make payments. Choose your payment method. You can use PayPal, you can use your card or any other payments medium, but I prefer you use your bank card. So that's the section 2 you will get to. Put all the details about your bank card. Then you complete the payments for the money to be debited from your account, within few days or even within a day, Amazon will ship the product to the address you filled here. See it? So it's as simple as that. Then let me go and search for another kind of product. Let's assume I want to buy a book. Then in this place that has all, I click on the drop down, tap on the drop down. Then I'll select books. Hold on. Select books. So any item you want to buy, I'll clear this. Just select it from that category. Okay. Let's say I want to learn about computer. Then in this search space, I've already selected book. So I will type, maybe as a beginner, I'll type computers for beginners. Okay, beginners. What it means is that I'm searching for a particular book, a book or books on computers. So I will type on the search icon. Now it has shown me some results on some books on computer which I am likely to buy. Alright, so I can go with the first one or the second one or the third one or any other one on this list. But then assume I want to go with the first one, I'll tap on it. The next step is buy now. Tap on the buy now button to load. Just as usual, fill your details. Alright, after filling your details, you tap on the use address. Use this address, it takes you to this page. Make your payments with your card, and within a short time the item is shipped to a location. Thank you. I hope this helps. Stay good.